Kind of makes you wonder how.
Yeah,
It has all these channels it goes through.
Huh.
Which that was wet when I peeled it up. So it worked.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty neat. So as I was trying to mention with, when I was in that bathroom over there, there's like black pads that had tape around them. Pretty cool technology there. Since the grout is porous, what that pad does, you hook up like a vacuum to it, seal around it with the tape, and that vacuum pulls up any moisture or water that's in that area up through the grout and into the vacuum and thus into the tank. So pretty cool technology.